Okay, this is the second exercise. Okay, and here we are going to read about adjacent angles and vertically opposite angles. Okay, mainly we will read about adjacent angle and vertically opposite angles. Okay, in adjacent angle we will read about linear pair, whose sum will be
Excuse me,
100.
sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, we have already started this exercise 1.2. One number is also done, and two number, I think so, from till 6, 7 number we have done.
Yeah, yes. Thank you very much. Yeah, we are going to read today second exercise, third number. Okay, and this is second exercise. Okay, as Simran told, we have only learned one period from this exercise, and this is the second period of the second exercise one. Here we are going to learn about this one, question number 3, where x degree, y degree, z degree are missing, and we are going to find them. Okay, children, and we have to use the this. Look here, I am going to show these methods to solve those questions. Okay, and here it goes like this. And in this, look here, this is the figure. Okay, this is the figure of this question, first question. In this question, which thing are missing? Look, which angle are missing? Angle x degree, angle y degree, angle z degree. These three angles are missing here, and we are going to find them. Okay, so then anybody can tell how you will find out this x degree here? How you will find out x degree here? This x degree and 45 degree, they are linear pair, or we can tell them straight angle also. Okay. Okay, children, we were here. Okay, and here we are going to find this angle x by adding this 45 degree with x. Okay, being linear pair, and x degree and z degree are vertically opposite angle, they are equal, and y degree and 45 degree are also vertically opposite angles. Okay, and it should be solved like this. Look, I am going to show, and you can note down this one. Look here, I have shown here angle AOC and angle AOD. Angle AOC and angle AOD, their sum is 180 degree. Okay, being straight angle. And when you write this 45 degree this side, you have to subtract, and it will come 135. And we know y degree and 45 degree are vertically opposite angle. That's why value of y will be also 45 degree. Okay, and here angle AO, look here, AOC and angle BOC. Look here, angle BOC. This 45 degree and this Z degree also straight angle. Then we have to find out the Z degree equals to 135 degree. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Good. How to find out this missing angles of this question number 3i? I hope you everybody are clear, right? Okay. Similarly, I am going to show you the next slide. Next slide, I am going to show the question is like this. This is the question number 2. Okay, children? And how to solve this question number 2, I am going to show here. And I'm telling you, all the students, please take the part actively, okay? As I told you, keep the video on and answer my question also, okay? Okay, Sadiq sir? How you will solve it? First of all, we have to compare this angle here, angle POR and angle SOQ. These both angles are vertically opposite angles, and they are looking x-axis
Vertically.
variable, and here is also x variable. These two vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, Tejas? We have to start from here. Why we have to take this one? Because POR also there is x, and SOQ also there is x. That's why we have to make them equal. Okay, Celine? We have to start from here. First step will be that. And after finding the value of x, you can compare this angle with y, and you can compare this angle with y and z also. Other you can find out. Before finding y and z, we have to find out x first. It will be like this first. First, what is shown there, Tejas?
So angle POR equals to angle SOQ being vertically opposite angles.
Very good, very good. Why it is taken, do you know? Because these both angles contain x. These both angles contain x. That's why we have taken that, okay? Understood? And similarly, look here. When you solve it, you will get the value of x. X value will come 35 degrees. Because 3x minus 2x, x, and when minus 20 will be added with 15, it will be 35 degrees. There, now we have to do angle POR and plus angle ROQ. Okay? Look, POR and ROQ, they are straight angle. Then we know already the value of x, we can put here. Then from here we will get the value of z. We will get the value of z here. You can note down also. Okay? And see here, I am going to tell you next one. Have you written this, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here we found z equals to 14 degree. We found x already. And now next step, look here, I am going to show you. Kelvin, hello Kelvin, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
I hope everybody is keeping the note of this question that I am showing here. Okay, I am looking from here to Simran and just Tejas only. Okay, yes, Sobia also, Sital also, okay. Sarita also I found here, okay. Simrika also, good. Viva also. Okay, please chill in. Take part actively in the class, okay. After finding the value of x and z, now we can find out the value of y also. Look here, we have to do like this. Continue that. Y equals to 5z plus 25. Why y equals to 5z plus 25? Do you know? Look, I am going to show you that figure. This y angle and y degree and this 5z plus 25, they are a vertical opposite angle or not? That's why they are equal. Y degree and this 5z plus 25, these two angles are vertical opposite angles. That's why they will be equal. Okay, children? And here, after finding this one, then now keep the value of z here. Then y equals to 5 into 14 plus 25, this into, okay, this multiply. This not x, it looks like x, but it is multiplied. And when you multiply with 14, then you'll get 70. 70 plus 25, then you will get the value of y also, 95. Okay, we got the value of y. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now look here. I am going to show here next question. I am forwarding. Okay, I am going to show you next question. How to do it. This is the question. This is the question. Next question one. Okay. Anybody can give the method that how to solve it. Do you know or not? I want to give you time to study this figure. Please look this figure and find out the ideas. Okay, find out the methods to find out the values, this unknown one values.
Sir, can you show the previous slide?
Okay, I will show you. Okay, first of all, please think about it also. This question, how to solve this question? This one slide.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Okay, now I'm going to show you next. Here I was showing this question. Do you know what the when we add this one, look here, x degree and 30 degree. When you add x degree and 30 degree, its sum will be what? Do you know? X plus 30 degree. When you add this x degree and 30 degree, you'll get x plus 30 degree. Then this x plus 30 degree is vertically opposite angle with 2x plus 5 or not? Simrika?
Yes, sir.
Yes. When we add x and 30, x plus 30, x plus 30 will be vertically opposite angle with 2x plus 5. Okay, children? Okay, Kelvin?
Yes, sir.
X plus 30 and 2x plus 5, they are vertical opposite angle or not? When you add this total one, this x plus 30, look, I am pointing it. This x plus 30 and this is 2x plus 5. These two angles are vertically opposite angle. Then you will get the value of x. Okay, like this we have to solve. XOP and YOQ, they are vertical opposite angle. And XOP is what? XOP is 2x plus 5. And YOQ is x plus 30 degree. Okay, Kelvin. And we have to solve this. And 2x minus x is x. And 30 minus 5, it will be 25. We got the value of x. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Good, good. Now, after finding the value of x, now we can find the value of y also now. We know this XOP and XOQ, these two angles are linear pair or straight angle. We can write like this, look here. Angle XOP and angle XOQ equals to 180 degree being straight angles. Okay, children? And we know XOP is what there? 3x plus 5, XOQ is 5y equals to 180. Then 2 into x means 25. Then it will be 20 into 25, it will be 50. 50 plus 5, 55. 55 plus 5y, then 55 goes here to subtract, then y equals to 125 by 5, then you will get, therefore y equals to 25 degree is the answer. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then here, now I am going to show you next question. If you want to note it, if you want to note down it, note it. I am giving some time. Okay, Tejas?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood, children, this question number 3?
Yes, sir.
Good. Wherever there comes difficulties, okay, wherever you feel difficult to understand, okay, please raise the question, okay? I will solve it. Okay, Ankit, Aviral,
Okay, sir.
yes, Riva, Sylvia, Simrika, Sarita,
Yes, sir.
okay, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, when you complete, okay, writing one, please tell that I will forward, okay? Samistha, are you writing? Hewan, Christine,
Yes,
Theo,
sir.
Sir, finished.
okay, very good. I am going to show you next slide. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
This is the next question, look there. Here also, which are like there, which are like angles, okay, like terms here. Sophia, can you tell? Which are the same and one? Which angles have the same variable? One
Sir,
angle
can
is
I?
yes, please tell.
3x and 2x.
3x and 2x, very good, very good, very good. We have to start from there. We have to start from there because this 3x degree and 2x we can add and they are forming straight angles. These two angles are making straight angle. Okay, children? And we find other angles with the help of these two angles. We have to solve like this. Look here, I am showing here angle MOQ, and angle QON. These two angles are forming linear pair. That is listed angle. Their sum is 180 degree. Are you clear, Aviral? First step.
Yes, sir.
Riva, have you understood this first step? Okay. And now look here, I am going to show next one step. Why we started this? Because we can add these two angles. That's why we started from here. Okay, children. Then 3x plus 2x is 5x, and this is 180 degree. Then when 5 goes here to divide, then you will get the value of x. X value came 46 degree. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, after finding the value of X, now we have to find out other angles with the help of this X, okay? Okay, children? Kelvin, are you listening? I am going to show you the next slide. Which is like this. Look here. And we know y and 2x are vertical opposite angle. Y and 2x are vertical opposite angle. Do you know or not? Look here. I am going to show you figure again. This y degree and 2x degree are vertical opposite angle or not? They are equal. And z and 3x are also vertical opposite angles. Okay, children? Y and 3x and z and 3x are vertical opposite angles. Okay? Like this, we will find out. Now, next one, look here. Y equals to 2x, then put the value of x here. We have already found. It will come 72. Similarly, z equals to 3x being vertical opposite angle. Then we put the value of x here. We get 108 degrees. Like this, we will find the value of x, y, and z. Okay, children? Now, okay, I am going to show you other questions. Samipa, have you understood this question? Solution of this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sujin,
Yes, sir.
have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am going to show you next slide. It is like this question, this is the question. You can note down. Anybody look here, anyone student, can you tell how to start this one to solve? How to start this? From where you will start to solve it? From where you will start to solve?
4x plus 8 degree
Yes,
and 6x plus 12 degree.
yes, very good.
Straight angle.
Very good, very good.
This plus this.
Because we can
180
add this to 4x and 6x we can add, and these two angles are linear pair also, straight angle also. You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. Okay, and here we have to start from it. Okay, and add them. You will get the value of x like this. X value came there 16 degree. Are you clear, children? Are you clear, children? This one, this step. Okay, now
Yes,
here
sir.
I am going to show you the next. And look here, y plus 5x plus 2. Look here, these two angles we can add because these two angles are what? Linear pair, straight angle. We have to add these two. This is the next step, being straight angle. And 5 into 16 means 80 plus 2 is 82. Then when 82 goes this side, it will be subtracted and you will get the value of y 98 degree. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Suyog? Hello, Suyog.
Yes, sir.
Are you clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay. And wherever you have difficulties, please share with me, okay? And
Okay, sir.
here, next one. Here, I am going to show you the next slide. Okay, how you will start this question? Tell. We have to find out the value of x here. Do you know GOB, GOB and AOH? AOH and GOB, these two angles are vertically opposite
Vertical.
angles or not? Are they vertically opposite angles?
Yes, sir.
Start from there.
Yes, sir.
Then, after getting the value of
Yes, sir.
AOG, we have to add this one. Look here. This AOE, AOH, SOD, DOF. This 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 angles will make straight angle. Okay, children? Then you will get the value of x. Okay, that is shown here. Okay, add all and you will get the value of x. Value of x is 30 degree. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good,
sir.
very good. Tejas, have you understood this number?
Yes, sir.
Kelvin?
Yes, sir.
Sujin, have you done?
Sir, can you show previous slide?
Which number? Which number? Look here, I am going to show you that. This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to show you the next slide. This already I explained. Now this question. Have you seen this question?
Sir, just the figure is shown,
Yeah, this
not the
figure.
question.
In this figure, we have to find this unknown angles. Okay. Look, I am going to show you here. We have to find out this unknown angles. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
for each, for this, we have to start from look here. AOC is 65 degree. Then DOB also will be 65 degree.
DOB vertically opposite.
Yes, vertical opposite angle. Very good. Then we can add AOC and AOD. Then it will be a 1 and 8. It will be being linear pair, or you can do straight angle also. Okay, children. Then
Okay, sir.
we can find out
Okay,
AOD
sir.
also. Right? Like this, we can find out AOD also. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to show you the next question. This is BOC also equals to AOD. Whatever is the value of AOD, that will be the value of BOD also. Okay. Okay, Tejas.
Okay, sir.
Sital Limbu. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Now look here, I am going to show you the next one, 4 number 2. This is the figure, this is the question also, okay? Look here. And its figure is like this, look here. This is the figure. We have to find the value of A, B, C, D. And A plus C value is given already 130 degree in question. A plus C value is given 130 degree. Okay. And here, first of all, we have to start from here. Let's look here. A plus C equals 130. This is given. And we know C plus, look here, in place of A, can you write C? Because A and C are equal. Because A and C are equal. Okay. Then A and C are equal. Vertical opposite angle, that's why. 2C equals to 130. Then C equals to 65. You divide 130 by 2, you will get 65. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Then you will get the value of angle A and angle C equal. Right? Vertical opposite angle. And we know third number, A plus B is also 180. Then A value we know 65. Right? Then B value will be 180 minus 65. You will get B equals to 115 degree. Are you clear, children? This question, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. I am going to show you the now next question. Next question we have to solve like this. Look here. This D also, B also equal. Hey, here. In this question, D and B also found. Last, look here. D equals to B. Why D equals to B? D and B are equal because they are vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now I am going to show you the next question. This question. Here it is given PQR 250 degree given. Okay. It is asking to find the value of PQRS. For this we have to look here. First we have to do PQR equals to 250. It is given. Given it is. Then PQR means, look here. Here P plus Q means we know 180 degree. P plus Q is 180 degree, being linear pair. And R equals to 250 minus 180 degree. Okay. And R equals to 70. If you know R, we can write P equals to R, vertically opposite angle. Then P plus Q equals to this, 180. Then Q equals to 180 minus 70, you will get the Q value 110. Then S equals to Q, being vertical opposite angle. This is the answer.
Sir, can you show the previous slide? The
Okay.
question one.
Is this finished or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will
Yes.
show you that and take. Take this screenshot, okay? You can take or you can note down. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.